So I got 5 packages. Wasn't expecting that many. I forgot what all I ordered. So I'm probably gonna make a video today on something that I ordered here. It's probably gonna be the dent. I'm gonna pull it in my truck. I also got some touch-up paint, and I'm gonna touch up a little scratch too. So. Back over to the dorm parking lot. Such a beautiful day. Might have to do a video on the bike today too. I haven't shown my bike on the channel yet, but my bike's probably going to be coming to the channel here. I'm trying to sell it, but if I don't sell it, I'll for sure try to get it on the channel and start motovlogging and stuff. I just got to get a new helmet. My friend just got his tuner in today for his truck. I think he spent like 600 bucks on it. Maybe after he's done playing around and learning how to use that thing, I'll see if he wants to make a video or something. There he is right there playing with it right now. How's it going? Yeah. Alright, we got 5 packages here. Let's see what they are. Mopar factory touch-up paint. Oh yeah, my heat shrink tube kit. I just got online for cheap. The whole kit, different sizes. I don't remember what the fuck this is. Oh, here's a knockoff ram mount for my motorcycle. Got a charger with it. That's cool. I forgot I ordered that. Glue gun. Dent puller kit. What else? Dent puller. Cool. Got one more package here. What is this? Oh yeah, some fucking floss door handles cover up the chrome. Finally made it. Kill the fucking chrome. Oh, these are gonna look good. Alright, Today I'm reviewing the door handles I just bought. They're stick-on door handle covers. Got them off eBay for about 20 bucks. I originally have chrome door handles under this. I initially plastic dipped these when I got the truck to eliminate much chrome as I can. Plastic works good. It's been on for over a year now. It's held up pretty good. The only thing is it's starting to fade a little bit. It doesn't look as clean as it did. So I'll go ahead and show you one of the plastic covers, stick-on covers that I got. It's going to be right here. It's just a stick-on piece of 3M tape pretty much on the back of these. And this kit was $20 on eBay or Amazon, one of the two. But they also come in two separate pieces, so they come with this too. Not really happy with this, because you can see how faded this looks compared to the actual handle portion itself. It's two separate colors, and I don't think it looks as clean as it does with just my original housing on here. This is what it normally looks like. Start. We'll go ahead and throw the next one on here. Plastic dip handles are removed. We got the stick-on covers from eBay stuck on all four. Here's how it looks. They look pretty good. If I had to rate these out of 10, I'd probably give it 6 out of 10 stars. These do show a little bit of chrome. From when you're up close, you can kind of see a little bit of chrome, but when you're standing back, no one can even tell. They think they're just factory black handles.